collab. Buong bayan talaga nakatutok sa Pinoy Big Brother. But hey, growing family ang PDG. Pero ang pinaka-importante ay you are now part of the Acer family. How does it feel, guys? Anyone could answer? Julie.
I'm really grateful. First of all, hello po, Arena! Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Dami naman talaga, guys. Ang dami nila, guys.
Ang dami talaga dito.
Ang dami nila. Pero Kuya Robbie, I would say I'm really grateful. I feel like I've already said this in the interview. This is the essence of collab for us. Parang itong pamilya na to, hindi lang po ito nabuo na joke-joke time lang. Ito po, at genuine na po namin relasyon sa loob ng bahay. So for us to endorse a brand that's very close to our heart po, we're really grateful po for Acer na kinuha po kaming pamilya de Guzman plus extended.
Yes, very, very authentic yung family na, no? We got a lot of questions, syempre. We're gonna be having this chit-chat time with our extended PDG or the new faces of Acer. Pero, instead of doing like a question-answer time, why don't we do it a little bit different? Pageant style, pero duo. Okay lang ba yun, Acer fam? Okay, let's have Shukla first, right here.
Kaya ito ni Mom.
Okay, kailangan may lakad, ha? 3.
Rarapa.
Rarapa.
Play music. Ano ba yan?
Ladies and gentlemen, Shukla!
Wala pang yawan dyan? Wala pang yawan?
May ganun na.
Yes,
Okay. Now, Shukla, we are so happy that you guys are here. Pero how do you break a limit pagdating sa energy at creativity on the stage? Mom?
How about you, Shubi? What can you say about that question?
I do believe that Shukla already has the quality of a winner. Wow, grabe naman talagang winner na yan. Kasi we just enjoyed the moment. Being in front of you, everybody, is such a life-changing. Ang dami pong green na nakikita namin ngayon. Kung alam niyo, para po kayong mga ants. Sobrang po kami grateful sa inyo. And as well as for energy, talagang bare minimum sabi niya ni Mom. Okay talaga kami sa energy.
Yes.
Kaya wala kaming kinakatakutan. We just
Do our best and face our fear.
yes.
Because that's life!
Alam mo yung ang dami namin in-expect na words from you.
Yeah, that's life because, you know naman na at the end of the day, I love Acer.
Okay, I'm sure our Acer fam will love hearing those 2 letters na sinabi mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Clarice, gaano mo kamahal ang Acer?
Gano'n ko kamahal ang Acer? Sorry ha, pero OA!
Nanalo, maraming salamat. Thank you, and...
Sorry kung natapakan ko yung mga laptop niyo. Hindi ko tatapakan ng Acer, hindi ko tatapakan because I love Acer ng OA.
Yan, okay. Again, palakpakan po natin